Let's break down some fantastic expressions that will help you communicate more effectively and confidently in everyday situations. We'll be looking at phrases like the ship has sailed, we're gonna move off it, and I'm just spitballing here. These are expressions that English speakers use all the time in real conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what these phrases mean, how to use them correctly, and most importantly, when to use them. This isn't about impressing anyone, it's about communicating more clearly and feeling more comfortable in English-speaking environments. We'll be using examples from an interview with Nicole Kidman. But remember, these expressions aren't exclusive to celebrities or formal situations. They are tools that can help you in everyday conversations. Whether you're chatting with friends, speaking with colleagues, or even in more formal settings. Ready to expand your English vocabulary and boost your communication skills? Let's dive in and explore these 13 useful expressions that will make your English more natural and expressive. Let's start with ship has sailed. This expression means an opportunity has passed or it's too late to do something. Here are some examples. I wanted to apply for that promotion, but ship has sailed. They already hired someone externally. I was going to ask Sarah to dance, but that ship has sailed. She is already going with Mike. If we don't submit the proposal by Friday, that ship will have sailed and we'll lose the client.
What are you talking about?
Anyway, let's move off it because we've gone way off track again.
You're the one who brought it up. I didn't even know. I don't remember going to the
I
buffet at David Fincher's house.
We're going to move off it. This phrase means we're going to change the subject. It's perfect for those moments when you want to talk about something else. Let's look at some scenarios. Okay, we talked enough about politics. We're gonna move off it and enjoy our meal. We've spent an hour on budget issues. Let's move off it and discuss our marketing strategy. The interview was getting tense, so the host moved off it and asked about her upcoming projects instead. In relationships or acting, no chemistry means there is no natural connection or spark between people. Here's how you might use it. They went on 3 dates, but there was no chemistry between them. The new sales team has no chemistry. They're struggling to collaborate effectively. The lead actors had no chemistry on stage, which made the love story unconvincing. This is really awkward, the universal phrase for uncomfortable situations. Let's pronounce it together. Awkward. The W is silent. Here are some examples. I just realized I'm wearing the same outfit as the host. This is really awkward. I accidentally sent a personal email to the entire company. This is really awkward. If both of us show up in the same Halloween costume, it'll be really awkward. A gig is a live musical performance. Musicians often say they have a gig when they're performing. Let's see how we can use this. That jazz band plays a gig every Friday at the downtown cafe. When I was in college, my roommate's band played a gig every weekend. Once we finish recording our album, we're hoping to play a gig every month in different cities. Mutual friends are friends that two people have in common. It's a great way to establish connection. Here's how you might use it. Oh, you went to UCLA too? We probably have mutual friends. Facebook suggests we have mutual friends. Do you know Sarah from the marketing department? We discovered we had mutual friends when we both attended the same wedding last year. Bring up means to mention or introduce a topic in conversation. Let's see how we can use this in different contexts. I brought up the issue with the new software during a team meeting. At the family dinner tonight, I'm going to bring up the idea of a summer vacation. We were talking about embarrassing moments, so I brought up the story from the other night when I tripped on stage.
Yeah, and I'd be lying if I said I didn't like it. Aren't you happy you don't have those corny jokes at the house? You're so lucky.
Corny jokes are cheesy, predictable jokes that might make you groan instead of laugh. Let's pronounce corny together. Corny. The stress goes on the first syllable. Now let's see some examples. My dad's always telling corny jokes at family gatherings. We love him for it though. Our manager tries to lighten the mood by telling corny jokes in meetings. but they usually fall flat. At the wedding, the best man told corny jokes throughout his speech. It was actually pretty endearing.
We were lurking in the kitchen, everyone went out, and I'm like waiting and waiting and waiting, and you're at the buffet, and this is so true, and you know it.
To lurk means to hang around a place, often secretively. Also, in online context, it can mean to read or observe without participating. Here's how you might use it. I've been lurking on Twitter for years, but I've never posted anything. I was lurking around the mall, trying to figure out what to buy for my mom's birthday. During the surprise party, I'll be lurking near the door to signal when the guest of honor arrives.
Maybe if I'm in Nashville, maybe I can stop by for dinner or something. I'm just spitballing here. You know, you know what I mean? Yeah.
To spitball means to suggest ideas spontaneously, usually in an informal setting. It's like brainstorming. Let's see it in action. I'm just spitballing here, but what if we launch the product in phases instead of all at once? When we write songs, we start by spitballing random lyrics and melodies. During the crisis, we were just spitballing ideas to keep the company afloat.
I can come by the house and hang out with you. I can come hang out, we can jam out some music. Right. Something like that. Yeah.
To hang out means to spend time relaxing or socializing casually. It's super common in everyday speech. Here are some examples. Since I started working remotely, I'm always at home hanging out in my pajamas. In high school, we were always hanging out at the local pizza place after school. This weekend, we'll just be hanging out at home, binge watching our favorite show.
I get it.
I'm gonna sit with Dreamweaver if that's all right.
How are you, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
How did you pull this off? I did not see you. I even visited you quickly backstage to say hi to you.
To pull something off means to succeed in doing something difficult or unexpected. Let's see it in different contexts. Finishing the projects 2 weeks early? I can't believe you pulled this off. The wedding was beautiful. I can't believe you pulled it off with such a small budget. If we pull this presentation off tomorrow, we'll likely win the account. Freak out means to become very anxious, scared, or excited. It's quite informal. Let's see some examples. I just got accepted to my dream university. Now I'm like freaking out. The boss wants to see me in the office. I'm totally freaking out right now. Now I saw the spider in my room. I completely freaked out and called my roommate for help. And there you have it, 13 expressions straight from Nicole Kidman's interview, ready for you to use in your everyday English. Remember, mastering these phrases isn't about memorizing them, but understanding when and how to use them naturally in conversation. As you've seen, these expressions can be used in various contexts, from casual chats with friends to more formal work situations. They can help you express yourself more clearly, react to situations more naturally, and even navigate tricky social moments. Practice using these phrases in your daily life. Listen for them in movies, TV shows, or conversations with native speakers. The more you hear them and use them, the more natural they'll become. If you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips and tricks. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with your English.